Hello, fan community. Braxton here. And reason why you're looking at my blue wall is because if we go over here, bam. You've probably seen this on my ceiling fans in my collection video and the ceiling fans in my house video. You probably remember that I showed this. The blades are sagging because it's an older Hampton Bay fan. But it's cool nonetheless. I've been looking out for one of these and I finally found one. This was at the same time I got one of those two. The two California Zephyrs. That's around the same time I got those. And this was new in box. Well, not new in box because it was pretty dusty. But it was in its box. This has been up ever since I got it. Or almost, this was after I got it, I put it up. I did it almost by myself, which is pretty cool. It has there's the green pull chain here. Then an Emerson pull for the light. Turn that off and turn the light back, turn the light on. Came with everything, including the mounting bracket. There's the light. I think this is a good fan. It's a great runner. And it does everything that I need it to. Doesn't make any noise other than the rattle on the shades. So I should probably turn my air conditioner off. And then we'll turn off my pedestal fan. It's on low, but let's turn it off anyways. So now, let's go to low speed. Low speed. I'm gonna set my computer, my chair by my computer. It looks good, blending in with the blue in my room. Yeah, I've been on the lookout for one of these ever since I saw one. I've not seen one in person. This is whenever I got this, that was my first time seeing one in person. Now I was like, oh, cobalt blue. I thought this thing was pretty cool to fit in my room because of all the blue scheme everywhere. The red scheme doesn't even match, but oh well. Sounds like it has bearing noise. I'll get my stool out. It's on medium now. Yeah, you can hear the rattle now. But you can't really hear it when everything is on. Whenever the air conditioner's on. That mostly that mostly gets at, yeah, I don't know how to put it. Oh well. Mostly it drowns out the noise. There we go. Here's high speed. It gets really bad on high, but yeah. It's a great air mover. I'm proud of this fan because it does a great job. I have no complaints other than the rattle. The shades are as tight as they'll go. We'll do spin down, then we'll go to reverse. It's actually moving the California Zephyr there, the one that's hooked up. Okay. I'm gonna say it's gonna be going for a little while. Sounds like it has bearing noise as well. I don't know, I can't really tell because I have a cold. My ears are kind of blocked, so yeah. I'm trying to get better though. I'm starting to get better. I'm like approaching to the end of the cold, so you don't need to worry about me. Good Lord, it's taking a long time. It doesn't take as long as the industrial in the basement. Which I'll get to that in a moment. Good God, that's taking a long time. Excuse my language there. If that was bad language, I don't know. We got all the decorative pieces on there as well. Don't know what that sound was. There was like a click that came from downstairs. Oh well. I'm the only one upstairs, so I can do this. I'm only going to do videos of the cool fans that are in the house. Most of them are in my collection, as y'all probably know. Which I got a recent acquisition, which is in the basement currently with the Studio Series and the Industrial. I took the Casablancas down, as you may have noticed. I was planning on putting a fan there, but I'm not allowed to. How would I put it is that there is a hole already there, and I'll just move the. Okay, it just stopped. I would just move the metal bar up there. That's like right by the exit sign that I have. Okay, reverse. Let's do reverse now. I don't know how it's going to perform in reverse. Because I have not tried reverse in quite a while. Let's see if I can prop my iPad. Yeah, I don't know if I can prop it. Oh well. Sounds like it's a little worse in reverse. I might try reverse during the winter time. This replaced an Alaska. Not mine. It replaced a generic Alaska. The one that was my... Ooh, it does way better in reverse. I can feel it from over here. Like I'm over here by my computer. It's my setup right there. But I feel it. I have a jacket on because I have a cold. High speed. Let's see what's going to happen. Doesn't go as fast in reverse by the looks of it. It has good bearings, I know for sure. When I did that, it just made a humming sound. Probably did not like that or something. There it goes, and never forward. Yeah, it blows a great amount of air. This was $20 at Habitat. The Barstown Road Habitat. This is in Kentucky. As far as I know, that's the only one that's open. There used to be another one closer to where I am. That's where I think Brian went to. Brian Fan 17. I think he went over to that one. But it recently it closed down like last year, so as far as I know, there's only one that's open in where I currently live. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Peace.